Bosch Trio Nozzle is a versatile cleaning tool that offers 3 individual spray patterns: fan, rotary, and pencil, making it the perfect solution for cleaning different types of dirt. The easy-to-use icons on the nozzle allow for a quick selection of the desired setting. The nozzle's simple twist operation allows for flexibility and efficient cleaning of various surfaces. The wide-spraying rotary jet is perfect for washing patios or driveways, while heavy-duty dirt, like stone spots, can be easily tackled with the pencil jet, which is the strongest spray. The fixed fan jet setting is ideal for most rinsing and cleaning applications. The PLS 300 saw stand offers fast and accurate results for precise cuts. With its integrated guide channel, the stand allows for smooth cutting with your jigsaw, while securely holding your workpiece in place to avoid slippage or tilting. The stand's easy-to-read scale allows for exact angle cuts up to 45, making it ideal for cutting various materials such as wooden panels, square timbers, parquet or laminate flooring, plastic, and installing skirting boards or aluminum rails. Additionally, the stand includes extendable guides and 2 supports for added stability when cutting longer or wider workpiece. The GKF 12-volt SATE Professional Cordless Edge Router boasts impressive performance capabilities. Its brushless motor delivers high speeds of up to 13,000 RPM, making it a powerful tool for professional use. The tool's fast macro depth adjustment allows for quick changes in routing depth, while the fine adjustment ensures precise results. With a securable cutting depth and spindle lock, users can be confident in the stability and accuracy of their cuts. The GKF 12-volt SATE Professional is a versatile tool that is perfect for both small and large-scale woodworking projects, making it a valuable addition to any professional's toolbox. The Mobile AdvancedVac 18-volt SATE is a versatile 3-in-1 vacuum that can tackle both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks with a range of accessories. It features an integrated pump function for inflating and deflating, making it perfect for leaves, air mattresses, and water toys. The vacuum can easily connect to power tools from Bosch Home and Garden or other brands via flexible universal adapter. Its eco mode and 8-liter container volume provide optimal comfort during use, while rollers and extension tubes make floor cleaning back-friendly. The Mobile AdvancedVac 18-volt SATE is part of the Power for All Alliance, allowing a single battery to power a variety of devices. The GSB 18-volts 150C Professional is a powerful impact drill driver that delivers efficient and precise performance. With BIDUR biotechnology and Procori 18V batteries, it provides unparalleled power for screwing, drilling, and impact drilling tasks. The electronic angle detection feature ensures the correct angle of long screws, while the switchable kickback control feature reduces the risk of sudden torque reaction when working with hole saws. Its metal drill chuck and gearbox make it incredibly reliable and robust, even in demanding situations. This impact drill driver is the perfect tool for professionals who require powerful and precise drilling and screwing capabilities. The GKS 18-volts 57 Professional and GKS 18-volts 57G Professional cordless handheld circular saws from Bosch offer flexibility and precision for fast, accurate work results. These saws are designed for use with wood and wood-based materials, making them ideal for tradespeople such as floorers and carpenters. With a cutting depth of 57 millimeters, they can meet the highest demands for precision cutting, and both models have the saw blade located on the right-hand side. The pivot point is directly on the workpiece surface, providing excellent stability and control, and with powerful DC motors and 5.0 batteries, these saws offer long run times for extended use. There is a comprehensive range of accessories available, including guide rails, dust extraction devices, hoses, and saw blades for a wide variety of applications. These saw blades are specifically designed for use with nano blades, offering easy and vibration-free cuts without the need for oiling, sharpening, or tensioning. This tool is perfect for freehand, straight, and sure cuts at home or outdoors, in wood and plastics up to 65 mm. With SDS capability, it allows for quick and easy keyless saw blade changes. The tool is cordless, providing maximum mobility, and includes a hanging loop for convenient storage. Additionally, this tool is part of the 12 volts power for all system, meaning that one battery can be used in all 12 volts power for all tools. With its versatility and ease of use, this tool is the ideal choice for those looking for a reliable saw blade option. The new IX06 screwdriver offers infinitely variable speed control, allowing for precise matching to the job at hand. Its improved reliability makes it perfect for sensitive materials like lacquered wood. A 3 LED battery indicator keeps you informed of remaining work time. With a wide range of attachments, the IX0 is ideal for a variety of tasks. Attachments include a blower, wine bottle opener, and spice mill. The IX0's attachments enhance the screw driving process and offer new possibilities. Enjoy a more comfortable screw driving experience with the versatile and reliable IX0. The UniversalTacker 18 volts 14 is a cordless nail and staple tool that offers exceptional comfort and versatility for DIY fastening jobs. It powerfully drives staples and nails into soft and hard wood, and features an impact force dial for stroke adjustment to the optimal strength. The push plus release system ensures optimum control during operation by eliminating self-triggering. The bottom fire feature delivers up to 30 shots a minute for quick tasks, and the reload indicator allows for easy staple level checks. Bosch Neon technology provides optimum power and maximum run time, making it perfect for extended use. The UniversalTacker 18 volts 14 is part of the 18 volts power for all system, allowing for use with one battery across all 18 volts power for all tools. The Bosch EasySpiritLevel is a convenient and precise tool for all your leveling needs around the home. Its traffic light LED arrows provide highly visible indication of leveling status, while an integrated sound assistant provides helpful acoustic feedback. With a precision of plus or 0.1 degree at 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 270 degree, this tool is extremely accurate, even for small angle alignments. Whether you're hanging pictures, installing cupboards, or any other leveling job, the EasySpiritLevel is a must-have tool. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.